31, that's right, 31 Eminem songs that will change your epping life. This is not a reaction video. This is not a breakdown of lyrics. And it definitely isn't about idolizing some artist. This is about extracting life lessons from music that already shaped millions of people, whether they realize it or not. Eminem didn't just write songs, he documented pressure, fear, discipline, obsession, failure, growth, and responsibility in real time. So instead of asking, do I like this song? I'm asking a better question. What can this song teach me about surviving, building, and staying solid when life doesn't cooperate? These aren't opinions, these are life lessons. And if you listen closely, one song at a time, you'll start hearing your own life a little bit differently. Let's start where it all began. Number 1, Lose Yourself. Everybody treats Lose Yourself like it's some hype song. It's not. It's a warning. Marshall wasn't talking about music. He was talking about the moment hesitation kills opportunity. Most people don't miss their shot because they're incapable. They miss it because they're waiting for permission, waiting to be ready, waiting for approval, waiting for the right time. My one shot isn't fame or money, it's time, it's the focus, it's presence. And the brutal truth is this: the moment doesn't wait, the beat doesn't pause, life keeps moving. And once you realize that, the pressure becomes real, because now the question isn't if you should move, it's whether you're brave enough to act while scared. And that's where Not Afraid begins. Boom.